Drumsticks add such a delicious and unique flavor to the sambar, but cooking the drumsticks in the right way is very important. Otherwise, they can break apart and you will lose the perfect texture and taste of the sambar. In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect authentic South Indian drumstick sambar with perfect texture and taste. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started and make this delicious drumstick sambar. Let me show you how to cut the drumsticks in the right way. Here I have 5 to 6 drumsticks. Wash them well and cut them into about 2-inch pieces. Do not cut them all the way through. Leave a small portion attached at the end. This makes it easier to peel off the outer layer without breaking the drumsticks. In the same way, cut all the drumsticks into 2-inch pieces. I also have 1 red onion cut into cubes and 1 tomato ready here. Next, into a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of tur dal and enough water, teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of oil. 1 quick mix, pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Remember, never cook drumsticks in a pressure cooker. In a small bowl, soak lemon-sized tamarind and a small piece of jaggery. Into a wide pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1 cubed onion. Just saute it for a couple of minutes. Next, I am adding all our cut drumsticks. Saute it well. After sauteing it for 3 to 4 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. Give it a mix. Now it's time to add cooked dal. Add enough water and adjust the consistency of the sambar. Remember, this sambar needs a little more water and more cooking time than the regular sambar. This is the stage where all the vegetables and drumsticks will get cooked. Add salt as per your taste. Next, I'm adding tamarind and jaggery extract. Now I'm adding cubed tomatoes. Cover the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, finish it with chopped coriander leaves. I also have a delicious chayote sambar recipe on my channel. Please do check that out. Our delicious sambar is ready to enjoy with rice and stir-fried vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.